Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. I'm extremely excited because I have two big announcements, so make sure you stay till the end of the video. Now, if you haven't guessed by the title already, today we launched the online arbitrage start to scale ebook. Now, this ebook is exactly what it says, start to scale for online arbitrage for Amazon FBA. But before I go ahead and get into the details of what it actually entails, I want to give you guys a really quick background on me and why I even made this. So my name is Kris. I've been selling online since 2010. I've been selling full time since 2017. And one of the business models that has helped propel my Amazon store to $17,000 in gross sales. Now that's not profit, that's gross, but I am steadily scaling, is online arbitrage, where I buy from retailers and I send into Amazon FBA for a profit. The reason why I made this ebook is because when I first started, I didn't really know how to do this step by step, and I ended up wasting a lot of time and money. So I get tons of questions, and I've actually compiled a very in-depth detail step by step on how to do this. Now, this ebook is going to cater to two types of people. The first one is potentially someone who's never heard of Amazon FBA or is a complete beginner and doesn't really know where to start. So I cover basic things such as how do you even create a listing? How do you create your first shipment? How do you even find items? What is a keep-a-graph? I cover those things, but then I also, the second person that is going to fit is maybe someone who's more intermediate or advanced. So maybe someone who's already doing this, but they just want to pick up some more skills. So I talk about how to scale, such as what are some of my favorite sites for finding items? How do I build leads to steadily make this as passive as possible? Like, also, what are some techniques that I use that help me? These are all things that I cover in this ebook. Like I said, I poured it all out there. The goal when I made this was to make it worth $100 and charge $30. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with Tim Ferriss or not, but he interviews famous people and really successful people. And one of the questions he always asks the people is, what is the best investment you ever made under $100? And my goal when I made this was, when you guys think back on some of the best investments you made under 100 bucks, I want this ebook, when you buy it, to cross your mind. When you look back on things, I want you to think, wow, that ebook was one of the best investments I have ever made under $100. That was my goal with that. I'm super excited. Like I said, I put a lot of time into this, and I hope it just is packed with value for you guys. So I'm really excited about that. Now, the second big announcement I have is I'm partnering up with YouTuber Adam Fisher, and he specializes in retail arbitrage and as well as private labeling. And what we're doing is we're opening up a test group for 20 people, and we're automating their online arbitrage sourcing. And what that's going to entail is you're going to have the trial price, which is $100 a month, and you're going to get 2 bi-weekly lists of highly profitable items. These highly profitable items, you're going to have 6 items each list. So that's 12 items per week. That's 48 items per month. Now, if you guys are familiar with any of these lists at all, you probably are thinking, why are you not giving out more items? I've seen some that are, 10 lists per day. Well, I've looked at a lot of these lists, and what ends up happening is let's say they're giving out, some of these other people that are giving out 10 items per day, usually only 1 or 2 are even worth sourcing. And the lists are comprised of at least 60 people, sometimes usually over 100, 150 people. So what ends up happening is you get all of these people sourcing the top 2 or 3 items, and all the top items end up becoming saturated. So what we're doing is I'm giving out 12 items per week that I'm personally sourcing, that I would source myself. Like I said, extremely profitable, and I think it's an extremely good deal. So if you look at it from a return on investment standpoint, you're basically paying $2 per item, which you can make that back off of 1 SKU. Now, he is offering this on his channel as well, so I'm sure he is a much larger channel than me. I'm sure they're going to go pretty quickly. And one last thing, these are beginner friendly items. So we're not going to be giving you guys any topicals, groceries, beauty product like liquids or anything like that. They're all going to be beginner friendly items. Now, in the future, will we offer a group that's maybe more specialized? Maybe, I don't know. That's kind of what we're doing right now. Now, I want to end on this note, guys, is that Everything I'm doing here, I really 120% believe. This is something that I would personally buy, and I think it's an extremely good return on investment. I just wanted to throw that out there and be 100% transparent with you guys. So I really hope that you guys found value in this. As always, reach out to me if you need anything. Put some questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to me via email, whatever works best for you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.